back in the kitchen with Grace. So glad you could join us today. Today I am doing a really easy lunch. I am doing a cheddar turkey melt sandwich with bacon jam. Cutting up a few slices of tomato here. If you haven't checked out the bacon jam recipe, this is what it looks like. It is caramelized bacon and onions. It is so good. It's gonna be delicious on this sandwich. It goes great on all sorts of foods and sandwiches. So that is definitely a recipe you're gonna wanna check out and try. I have my, there it is, my sourdough bread done in the toaster. And I am going to take a little bit of my bacon jam here. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it right on the bottom and spread this around. It doesn't take a ton. We were on that red pickled onion kick for quite a while, and I moved on to bacon jam. So, all right, set that aside. I am going to grab my turkey. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and just put the dressing on the other slice of bread here. I'm going to use honey mustard. You could use Dijon mustard. Horseradish would be really good on this sandwich. Sometimes it's just fun when you're doing lunches, you just want to change it up a little bit. So I like to share easy, mostly healthy lunch ideas with you guys. And I'm gonna grab my turkey lunch meat. If you had mesquite turkey, that would be amazing with this bacon jam. I just have regular old oven roasted turkey. This is also a great recipe if you have leftover Thanksgiving turkey. Or even chicken, like if you've roasted some chicken, you've got some leftover chicken to use up. I'm just gonna put my turkey meat there, grab some cheese. This is a cheddar turkey melt, but I firmly believe in using the stuff you have on hand. I have Colby Jack to use up. I find that my kids move on from one food item to the next so fast, so often I am just using up the things that we need to eat up in the fridge or the pantry for my lunches. I like cheese. Let's just add some extra cheese. I really enjoy non-bread pizzas, the mini non-breads you get from, well, any grocery store, but I get mine from Aldi's. I am going to do one here coming up with some of this bacon jam and some apple slices and some blue cheese. It's just going to be heavenly. I can't wait to eat that one. I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of spinach, some fresh spinach. Sneak those greens into my meal. Put these tomato slices right on top. Sliding right on out. I need to scoot my sandwich to the middle of my plate. Oh goodness, it's getting feisty. Gotta fight back. Now you could totally put this into your little Foreman grill, like panini maker, to really melt and heat up that cheese. Pop it into the oven for just a few minutes. I went all about ease. I used the toaster today, but here we go. We've got our cheddar turkey melts with bacon jam. Thank you all so much for watching today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you have access to all of our easy, delicious recipes that your family will love that you can make at home. Be sure to check us out on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram, guys, and we'll see y'all next time.